Hey guy, welcome to the video. So today I'm gonna demonstrate the TrackpadDS application that I have made for the Thor. So as you know that one of the special thing about the Thor is that it has this huge secondary screen that have not been utilized like at all for controlling. So and there is no other app out there that like help with that. For example, one thing that I really love about the Steam Deck is that it have a big um, trackpad on both sides, like near the controller. That is very handy. But there is no app out there that like doing that for me at all. So after you have installed the app from the GitHub page in the description, you will need a few permission for the app to work. I have added a small section here showing like which permission required for the app to work and how does the app utilize the permission. To start the app, you click on Start Overlay and basically like allow. This one is for overlay permission, and it moves you right to the accessibility permission. Give the app all that permission and also notification permission, right? So after you do all that, you can see all the layout under here. To demonstrate all the function on the bottom layout, I'm gonna enable some of the hidden button. The first one is the floating navigation toggle button, and the second one is the drag toggle button. Oops. Okay, there's one other button which is the screen swap button. This one is I would say the ignored for now. What this button do, it will put whatever app running on the bottom top screen to the bottom screen, and whatever on the bottom to the top. um, Currently there's a few issue with that particular functionality, so I will go more in depth in the end of the video. Okay, now if you look at the bottom screen, there's now a couple of buttons. We have the default, navigation, back, home, and recent app button. And we have this button which will open the screen mirror function, which we will go into later. This button is to basically like stop everything. So if you click here, the overlay will stop for good. This one is very simple. You click on it, it will, instead of the floating navigator, it will put it like merge it with the trackpad. So wherever the trackpad go, the navigator button go with it. Normally I would just disable and just use this thing. Yeah, so this one, what it does is when you press this, it will basically hide everything. However, it's still functional. So if you were to use this like use a trackpad, it will still work. And if you go to, you can see even the other button also working. So everything here is basically invisible. However, if you know where it is, you can still click it. Yep. And there is one other functionality of this button. So if you hold it, it will become semi-transparency, and now it click through. So as you can see, right, you can do normal operation, you can scroll through, you can anything you click here, it just went through. And you can even do that in this mode. So yeah, click through, hold it, and now it's working again. Hold it, click through. This button is to basically toggle the drag mode. So what drag mode do is this allows you to rearrange all the component on the screen, and even resize the trackpad as well. Yeah, you can see here. So for example, if you want the thumb position to be a bit higher, you can do that. And yeah, basically like do everything you want. You can move all the button around, or any button that you don't find yourself using a lot, you can just like remove it here for good. Okay, so after you have been able to set up everything, like create all the layout to your liking. What you would like to do is go to all the way down, go to backup and import setting, and basically create a backup. So it will create a backup setting for the app, which later you can import back using the import setting. You can share your setting with other people as well. Okay, now I will show you what is the screen mirror mode is. So you press on the screen mirror mode. It will ask you for a screencasting permission. Allow it. It will cast the primary screen to the bottom screen and basically like mirror everything that you do on the bottom screen to the top. So for example, and all of the gesture work as well. For example, I can move the overlay drawer here and just move it around. I can back out of the current app, and yeah, basically like everything worked just fine. There's a few issue with the S swiping from the bottom and the top, but yeah, it's not like I will fix this in the future, but for now it's not high priority. I find this very good for something, for example, like for on mobile, this one. Maybe you can see it's work very well with like point and click adventure like Fallout. One thing that is unfortunate is that currently multi-touch is not support. It's a bit complicated to implement for this kind of thing. So instead I have add a few utility button. So if you go to button and go to screen mirror mode, you can enable a few things. For example, like you have oh okay, sorry, for this one it's not update in real time. Sorry. And let's see here. Okay, I can see it now. Yep, so as you can see, we have the back button and the home button here as well. And yep, they are also configurable. Everything here is configurable and will be saved if you create a backup. There's a lot of setting that you can go through to customize the experience like exactly to what you want. You can basically that you can make the trackpad the size of your liking. You can change the behavior. For example, you can make some changes to how the app behave. For example, the haptic feedback, you can change that. You can change the sensitivity of the mouse and everything. You can change the opacity to your liking. Yeah, all of that. You can basically you have a lot of control over the app. Yeah, so that is for the video. I hope you find this app useful. Thank you and goodbye.